Hey sister friends, and welcome back to another video. If you'd like to see how I achieve these cute space buns on my 2-strand twists, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, y'all, so before we get into the styling portion of the video, I just really quickly wanted to hop in to show you how I'm refreshing some of the twists on the side to give the appearance of freshness. I've had these twists in for about 2 weeks now and wanted to try a new style right before I take them out. So refreshing to me means just hydrating with water, taking some fresh hair, and cleaning up my parts with my favorite edge control. Shout out to EBIN or EBI in New York. You the favorite girl. Holy grail. But anywho, I'm not sure how many I'm going to retwist, but once we get finished with this side section here, we'll determine and see what all I'm going to do. Now, sister friend, if you can't flat twist or 2-strand twist, it is okay. This is a judgment-free zone. But I do urge you to go check out my 2-strand twist video. I give a little bit more detail in that video on how to install 2-strand twist and flat twist on natural hair. I'll be sure to link the video in the description box or at the end of this video so that you're able to catch up. Then you can come back over to this video to get into the styling portion. So now that I have these 3 completed, I think I'm going to work on this next portion. I'm trying to figure out, like, I really just only want to redo what would be showing. So I think I'm just gonna redo these 2, these 2, and then maybe these 2 here in the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hair ties and I'm gonna go ahead and start like trying to figure out how I want to split these 2 sections in, figure out how I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections for the 2 buns in the top. Okay, and then I like to twist my hair tie around once. And then we're gonna do another one. Okay. So that's one. Maybe a little too much hair on this side, because I have a bang situation here. Oh, maybe I will need to retwist some of that. Yikes. But I think I want this to be like this right here. Right, I'll go 2 times. Whew. Okay. Now the bun, is that even? So what I want to do now is I want to figure out how I want to bun these things. I might like that, and just, you know, mash and pin. I think I'm gonna take hairpins. I'm just sliding it underneath. Y'all know how to slide hairpins in. Just gonna try to tuck away the ends to the best of my ability. Just a quick tip when it comes to forming the buns: be sure to have your hairpins ready, and then also work in small sections. Don't try to wrap all the hair in a ball at once, and be careful not to poke yourself in the scalp like I did. Side note, I'm a natural hair girly who does her own hair. Of course, my arms have been flexing this whole video, and I'm tired, y'all. All right, y'all, so the buns are installed. The final step is these cute pearls that I got off Amazon. I just wanted to add a little charm and character to the style. No idea what direction I wanted to go into, but I got these two in here to start, and I'm going to play around with it and come back and show y'all the final result so you can see what I came up with. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result, and I think it came out really nice. I was so excited to use these little pearl hair accessories that I got, and I think it was executed well. I ended up twisting or retwisting more of these 2-strand twists than I anticipated in the beginning, but that's okay. It reminded me of when I had locks, so for the ones in the back, I didn't like unravel them entirely. I just put a little bit of edge control, palm rolled it, and then kind of stuffed them up into the hair tie to create these buns. Other things that I noticed is like this bun is a little bit bigger than this one, but that's okay. I tried to like mush it down. So if you are gonna recreate this style, make sure that you're like mushing down the bun so they stay compact, and use a lot of regular hairpins to keep all the ends of the hair kind of like hidden away. And then once you place these pearls inside of the buns, that's gonna be like a time too, because I can show you what they look like. They're just like hairpins, and they're really skinny, so stuffing them in there was a little bit difficult. And these things are really flimsy, so like I don't know where it is, but I like broke off just the ends of them as I was like trying to get them in there, just because it was, my hair is so thick, or this kinky hair that I have installed is really thick, so trying to fit these little flimsy gold things inside the 2-strand twist was really difficult. So be careful when you're placing those inside of there. I did get those from Amazon, so if you're interested, I can leave a link in the description box. But yes, y'all, I really like it. I feel super cute and girly and youthful. I feel like this could work for like a little girl's hairstyle as well. But I still like it and it's cute. I was debating on if I wanted to leave this part down or if I wanted to put this up. I don't know, maybe that'll be like a part 2-in-1 hairstyle. But if I do decide to do so, maybe I'll like throw up a little YouTube short or something like that to show you how I like transition it from this to this and how I'm gonna put the pearls. But overall, I think it's cute. If you try this style at home, let me know what you think down below in the description box. Like I said, if you feel so inclined, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the content from J.Westbrook, where I give you all the kinky hair inspiration and a little vanity in pink. See you guys in the next video. Peace, sister friends.